guys, we have arrived Strasbourg. We are going to walk down to the old town of Strasbourg. You see the cathedral there? And you can hear the sound of the bell. Yeah? We are going to walk towards the cathedral. And from the square outside the cathedral, actually you can go everywhere for the tourist attraction. We can still see the Christmas trees because, as I know, usually in Germany, the Christmas trees were taken down on 6th of January. This is the third time for me visiting Strasbourg, and of course, in different seasons. Hello, darling. Do you still remember when was our last time visiting Strasbourg?
26. Dezember 2018.
Oh, 26 December 2018.
Genau.
Okay. I have to think how to explain to you how to say it in English, because you know the numbers in German, the numbers are different with the English. Yeah, they start from the back. 26. They say 26. Usually the Christmas market is set up in here, but today is already January 4th, so the Christmas market was closed, and it usually opens until 31st December every year. We are walking towards the cathedral. We drove from Germany. We started from Freiburg, that is the Black Forest in Germany, and we drove for about 1 hour 23 minutes to get to Strasbourg. It is actually not very far from the Black Forest in Germany. And now we are at the downtown. We are walking along the old town here, so you can see it. Beautiful Strasbourg. You can see some old houses, and it's actually the architecture. The architecture here is a mix up with German architecture. So it's a mixed architecture. The cultures, the food, you can find a lot of German food in here. Hallo Dali.
Hallo. Wie geht's?
Mir geht es so lala.
Also.
Yeah.
Look.
Here guys, we still can see the Christmas tree. Hello everyone, happy morning here. Later, from here we are going to drive back to Germany and we are going to visit Heidelberg.
Glaubst du ja auch? Ja, zu uns?
Hello guys, we are hungry. We are looking for a restaurant to have lunch. Yeah, I don't know yet where we are going for the restaurant. Maybe we are going to a restaurant nearby here. Let's go, darling. Let's go for lunch.
Okay.
Vous avez 100 grammes à 3,80 €.
C'est ça là le prix, regarde.
Chocolat.
Which one is the best?
It's not the best, aber jetzt Spezialität von dir.
Oh, but it's too big.
You eat now? C'est un quoi, Ben? Une portion de friche.
Thank you. This chocolate. You eat. Nice? Is it nice?
Very nice.
Very nice. Let's eat one more time. Christmas vibes here. Here we have a Christmas vibes.
Crunchy.
So guys, you can see the Christmas tree here, as I told you. So usually the Christmas tree in Europe will stay until 6th January. Same with Germany. I think mostly are the same. And in Europe usually they use the real Christmas trees. If you like ice skating, maybe you can play ice skating too in here in the square, in the town square, just opposite the Starbucks.
Chicken, yeah, it's a quail.
That looks good.
I don't think the whole chicken.
Wie viel ist das?
Yeah, you eat. Put in your mouth. Oh, it's tendering. Huh?
Nice.
Nice.
Tonight,
Both the same.
Yeah.
Then cannot try.
Looks nice, eh?
Yeah.
Now we are walking back to the car park. We are going back to Germany, but we still need to visit Heidelberg. So we are driving to Heidelberg. We are going to stay one night in Heidelberg. Darling, do you know how much degree now? How much is the temperature now?
2
Only 2?
degrees.
But I feel like below no. I feel like under
No.
zero.
2 degrees.
Hello guys, I end my Strasbourg tour here. I hope you enjoy and like it. And don't forget to subscribe for my next travel vlog. See you again.